Okay, video blog check everybody. Azrael here, and we are back again for another vlog. We're doing some kind of travel vlog, but papakita ko sa inyo yung aming accommodation here sa Angeles City in Pampanga. So, kakagagaling na namin kahapon sa ICC Summit, Content Creators Summit na na-organize sa SM Clark, and this is the accommodation na binigay sa amin from Manila, na Manila vloggers na guest doon sa event. And this is Casa Marcela in Sun Valley Homes in Angeles City, Pampanga. So this is a cafe, restaurant, and also bed and breakfast. So pwede kang mag-staycation dito, mag-overnight, or mag-long stay ng guest. So itong Casa Marcela, nag-start pala to noong 2019. So unfortunately, nabutan sila ng pandemic, and all of their tourist guests are na-lock dito dahil sa pandemic lockdown. So nakakatuwa naman si Miss Shai, siya yung owner ng Casa Marcela. So ang ganda na story niya actually. So may mga tourists siyang foreigners here na na-lockdown. So siya inasikaso, nagbigay ng discount for the long stay nila until from March to June. At ayun, siya yung naging frontliner para sa mga guests kasi bibili ng pagkain, all of their needs. So grabe yung challenge nila. Pero natutuwa naman ako na all is well at very successful na yung kanilang staycation, bed and breakfast, cafe, and restaurant. Di ko alam na may restaurant din siya. Na-check ko lang yung kanilang Facebook page, which is Casa Marcela. At just put the link ng sa screen. And okay, I think let's do a tour ng kanilang staycation dito from starting rate of 1,800, good for 2 sa isang room. Pwede daw 3 kasi pwede siya maglagay ng extra ang kutsyon. At yung villa na tinitirahan namin, I think parang nasa 2.8 yata per room parang ganon. So, okay, pasok ka tayo. I'll show you around. So, they have a cafe, Ella's Cafe by Casa Marcela. Si Ella pala yung mother dog ng isang pet nilang si Sofia. So, pinangalan nila kay Ella. And also si Marcela is their grandmother pala. Ayan, si Lola Marcela. Ayan. So, okay, let's continue tayo sa ating Casa Marcela tour. So, they have here cafe. Meron naman sila dito I guess kung gusto nyo kumain dito, contact them for a reservation para makapag-prepare sila ng food. At they have also a room sa taas, good for 2 or 3. And yung sabi nila 1,800, parang may rooftop pa ata sila So, ito yung hagdanan. They have a nice, very green set up. Ang ganda ng garden. Actually, nakapaalang ako. Ayan. Malinis naman dito. Wala namang problema. So, may duyan dito. They have some mga rooms dito. And ang ganda ng setup. Tambayan, chillax. Usually, nagpupunta dito mga bikers, mga riders. They want just to chillax. Ang ganda ng setup. May mga hugasan pa dito. Dito kami kumain kanina ng breakfast. Napakasarap naman. Papakita ko sa inyo yung product nila. May mga rooms dito. May mga rooms sila dito na may mga number. I think para siyang Airbnb type thing. You just enter the code and then kunin mo na yung susi. So, very green dito. Let's do the tour. Super ganda. Sa gabi, iba din itsura niya. Nagbabago itsura niya. Kagabi, hindi ganito. Ngayon, mas maganda sa may araw. Very moody pagkagabi. They have here a sungka. Ayan. They have here a very interesting area. Ito for events yan. For events. Kasi nag-events din sila. And, ayan. They have a water station here. Andito yung kanilang coffee station. They have a Tarragon leaves. Ikaw na lang gagawa niyan. At very interesting, they own this vintage machinery, all of their personal collection. Actually, ginagamit nila sa trabaho. Ito yung kanang typewriter ni Miss Shai. Ito yung sa kanilang father. At all of this are parang personal collection. Nandyan lang yan. So, come in, we're open. Ganda na setup niya. It's very home. Actually, totoong bahay nila to. Yung may-ari, si Miss Shai, tsaka yung husband niya, dito sila nakatira. It's a private property na ginawa nilang business, parang hotel or cafe and restaurant. So, ayun. Okay, super ganda dito, grabe. So pasok na tayo sa aming villa. Actually, itong area na to, this is a common room kasi meron siyang daan going to the swimming pool. So yung mga kasama natin vloggers are watching a movie. So pasok tayo dito. Before I continue, meron siya dito product na pinopromote. Ito yung gawa ni na Miss Shai na It's Fair, dip. Dip siya. So mga dip sauces siya or pang-ulam, condiments. So they have here a beefy salsa. Ayan. They have the three-way cheese. At yung pinakamasarap na tapa pares na super sarap, grabe. Ito yung mga pricing niya. Ayan. At sabi mag-uuwi daw kami niya. Tigisa kaming bote. I want the beef tapa. At ito yung kanilang common room. You can see our friends, Shireen and John Bueno, are watching a Netflix series. Ayan. Very pambata yung pinapanood nila. So let's continue our tour. So this is a common tour. Sorry, dadaan lang. Kunyari na sa sinihan. So ito yung breakfast namin. Tsaka kami nag-breakfast sa McDonald's. They have a restroom here. Ayan. That's the restroom. Actually maraming restroom dito. This is our bedroom. Meron din kami ditong shower area. Napakaganda ng kanilang shower area. And this is me, nakapanjama pa. Ayan. I'm vlogging. This is John Bueno's bed. This is my bed. At doon natutulog si Flo. At ito yung kwarto ng mga girls. Yan, nakita nyo dyan. That's bed ni Earth. At sa kabila, si Ria! Ito pala si Ria! Very comfy. So they also have their own bathroom. So, di pa na tayo. Mamaya tayo sa pool nila. So, ito yung room ng mga boys. Actually, si Rain doon natulog sa sofa. Siya yung aming security guard. They have here a kitchen area. May refrigerator, may water station, hugasan. And also a toilet. Ayan. May tao kaya rito sa kwarto. Housekeeping! Housekeeping! Anong tao? So, wala. Ito yung kwarto ni na Iris and Mo, tsaka yung kid nila. So, tigigil sa silang bed dyan. Ang lamig ng aircon dito, grabe, full blast, no? So, pasensya na medyo. I'll just show you some pictures, no? Para makita niyo yung itsura nung na malinis na setup nila. Kasi nagamit na namin nakapag-stay na kami kagabi. And we're preparing for our checkout mamayang bago mag 12 p.m. Alright. So, doon na tayo sa swimming pool. At yung kanila smart TV ay may Netflix, Disney, HBO Go, at iFlix. May nakita akong iFlix. Meron ba bang iFlix sa Hook? Hindi pa tala-update yung app nila. So, ito yung common area. This is the common area and we are now entering the alfresco dining. Meron din ditong banyo for shower. This is their alfresco dining. Private for the kitchen. Yan lang nanggagaling yung mga nagluluto. And this is the pool area. Enjoy na enjoy sila. At si Iris is on her third breakfast. Third breakfast. Kasi Earth vlogging. Ang napakaganda ng kanilang style. Actually, nakapaa pa rin ako. Malinis naman dito ang problema. This is another gate yun na ino-open yan. And they have also another room around here. Medyo lible, pero maganda, no? Medyo may maraming garden style, napakaganda. At halaman. Super comfy, grabe, oh. Okay na to for private, no? Mag-birthday party ka dito, get the villa, and you can get the pool. Pero I think the pool is, ano siya, parang para sa lahat yata ng mga naka-check-in, eh. Ganda nito, ganda. Sobrang ganda. Casa Marcela. Nakala namin is Casa Mercedes. Ayan, may dumaan. Hanap namin. From Manila, Casa Mercedes ang alam namin. Pagdating dito, Casa Marcela pala. Ayun, Marcela. Ayan. Ito yung Marcela na store sa SM. Tinda ng mga ipit-ipit. At I think this is a 3-feet pool. Ayan. Very nice. Ang galing ng swimming, oh. Galing mag-swimming ng baby na to, ah. Oh. Problema, wala akong dalang tuwalya. Hindi ako nakapag-ask to borrow a towel. I'm not sure kung meron silang, pero meron naman siyang a few, pero hindi kasya sa amin. So I guess I'll be drying under the sun mamaya. So super ganda nung kanilang very private, lalo na pag ikaw ay nakastay dito. Ayan. Alright, well, I guess let's go inside again and let's close this vlog natin to end it in Casa Marcela in Sun Valley Homes in Angeles City, Pampanga. It's a perfect staycation. I think may wifi din sila. Nakuha niyo ba yung wifi password? Hindi, yun nakuha. John Breno, pakihack. Joke lang. Okay, so that's it guys for our vlog at si Earth pala nagbablog dito. Ito tayo sa kabila. At thank you so much guys for watching. Visit Casa Marcela. Just go to their Facebook for your reservation or booking for staycation and events. So thank you so much for hosting our stay for the ICC Summit. Thank you so much kay Gab Diaz sa mga organizer ng ICC Summit. Thank you kay Miss Shai for our overnight stay. So yun. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog. Galing, wala tayong cut. Wala tayong cut. Pwede ko na itong i-upload tong video na to. So yun, thank you so much. I'll do more videos like this. Very okay din kasi napakadaling i-vlog. Alright, kita-kits and see you soon. Nagre-reels ka na. And good morning here sa Casa Marcela. Nakala natin na Casa Mercedes. And wow, nagkakainan na.
May Instagram ka?
Yeah, Casa Marcela din.
Yes. And here's yung kanilang tapa pares. It's fair. Grabe oh, ulam na talaga to ah. May gulay. Grabe. Tikman natin to. Tikman natin with rice. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ulam na to. Pero siyang dip sa tinapay o sa mga crackers. Tapos pwede pang ulam sa kanin. Nachos tayo. Ayan. Mamaya mag-dip tayo dyan ng beef tapa or three-way cheese. Alright? And they have here the Eats Fair na three-way cheese. Tikman natin. Nilagay na si John Breno. Nilagay na sa akin tapa. Tikman natin yan. Parang cheese pimiento. Pang dip nga. Good.